I love Mexican food. For basketball, Michael Jordan. My family and my parents and I like the Beatles. Maybe Hawaii is a nice place. Something so you don't have to walk far. Maybe something so you can just go everywhere with no walking. A rival in college, the other team, Duke University, was a big rival for me. I love red. Michael Jordan. Passion. I'm pretty happy with when I was born. I think 1983 is a good year. I really love playing in Madison Square Garden. I think I'd probably write music or be involved in music.